Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video will be very interesting video, because in this video I am going to tell you a very funny and very interesting story. So you can see this is as spectacles. So yes guys, this story also will be like relative this. So this story's name is the spectacles and this is also as spectacles. So I am going to tell you the whole story, what happened in the story, and this story is very funny story. So let's start this story. After this, let's start this video after this small intro. So now guys, I am going to tell you this story. This story's name is Spectacles. There are three characters in this story: the villager, the spectacles, and the bookshopper, means the seller. So one day that happened that in a village lived a villager. He was illiterate. He did not know how to read and write some letters, how to read something, how to write something. He often saw people wearing these spectacles. People always wearing these spectacles, they always read something, they always read the news, they always read something with the help of these spectacles. So one day he thought that if I can get these spectacles, I also can read and write like these people. Whoa, this is very interesting. Like somebody did not when I'll wear spectacles, I can't write and read anything. Because education is very important for us, it is not a child's play. So he think that if I get these spectacles, I also can read like these people. So then suddenly one day he go to the shop, he go to the market and entered in a spectacle shop. He said to the shopkeeper that give me lot of spectacles, and then the shopkeeper give him various types of spectacles and also a book, like you can see, like also a book. And the villager tried every spectacles one by one, and in the last moment he said to the shopkeeper that your all spectacles are useless for me, they are not working. And when the shopkeeper gave him a doubtful look, and then he saw to the book, it was upside down, like this is the book but it was upside down. So then the shopkeeper controlled his laughter with a great difficulty and said to his illiterate customer that did not you know how to read and write something? And then the villager said loudly, no, I can't, for this I need spectacles, you don't know, stupid. And then the shopkeeper controlled his laughter with a great difficulty, and in the last moment he said to his illiterate customer that my dear friend, spectacles like these spectacles did not help us to read and write books and papers, it is just help us to see better. So always remember, first of all go to your home and take a book and read and write, learn how to read and write, and then you come back to my shop, I will give you a pair of spectacles. And then the villager understood the whole thing, and then he go to his village again. So now guys, this story is very very funny, that how someone can read like something, how someone read and write books with the help of the spectacles, the glasses, because the glasses only help us to see better, to see clear. So always remember that. I know that everyone know this, but this thing did not know the illiterate like the villager. And now guys, I tell you this story is very funny story, and like how I also have a question that how he think that. And now I think that I have to end my video. So this video is very interesting video, so now I think that I have to end my video. So if you like this video, if you like this story, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. To a great mind nothing is little, always remember that. And spectacles always help us to see better. Thank you.